The biggest lie you were ever told is this: work hard, show your talent, and people above you will reward you. No. Sometimes your talent becomes the very reason people start fearing you. A young employee enters the office, smart, creative, hardworking. Within months, everyone praises him. His ideas are better than his boss's ideas. His confidence is stronger. His presence becomes impossible to ignore. And then suddenly, promotions stop. Opportunities disappear. Meetings happen without him. Slowly, the same people who once praised him begin pushing him out. Why? Because power is emotional, not logical. Most people don't want to feel replaced, especially those above you. The moment you make your boss, mentor, leader, or even your own friend feel small, you unknowingly create an enemy. That's the first law of power. History is filled with examples. Even kings destroyed their most talented advisors because they felt threatened. In royal courts, the smartest man was often the first man executed, not because he was weak, but because he shined too brightly. Look at the workplace today. Sometimes the person who talks less survives longer than the genius who constantly proves everyone wrong. The powerful don't just want results. They want respect. They want importance. They want to feel superior. This law does not mean become weak. It means become wise. Let people above you feel powerful. Make them feel intelligent. Let your skills support their ego instead of attacking it. Because when people feel secure around you, they open doors for you. But when they feel threatened, they quietly close every door. Power is a game of psychology. A lion doesn't attack because the deer is evil. It attacks because it feels challenged. So before you show all your strength, ask yourself one question. Are you building admiration or awakening insecurity? And remember, many people don't hate your success. They hate the reflection it creates of their own weakness. But this is only law one. The next law becomes even more dangerous, because sometimes your biggest enemy isn't the powerful person above you. It's the friend standing beside you. If you want the next law, comment your opinion below. Like this video, share it with someone ambitious, and subscribe for more powerful lessons from the 48 Laws of Power.